it's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Oh my goodness, this weather is driving me crazy. It is so cold and so rainy this morning. I still have the cold thing going on. I ran out for a little bit and I'm like, this is not good weather to be out in when you have a cold. I seriously need some sunshine, and I feel like we are in the lull before Christmas, and with me being sick, I'm kind of getting in that organizational mood. So I decided today to do another blind box pull. This was so much fun. So I have another 24 fragrances in here. I closed my eyes, I pulled them off the shelf, and we're going to see what's in here. But I like going through like old Bath & Body Works stuff just to kind of see where we've been, where we're going. Also, a couple of things on the app that are coming. They finally gave us a sneak peek of the Twisted Peppermint. Oh yeah, in the faceted. I actually have Winter Candy Apple. It's pretty. I definitely want a couple of those. And then new men's collection. They have, it's called the Woodlands collection. I don't know what this is going to be like. I'm hoping it's a pine I like. I don't even know if it's going to be pine. It's cool citrus, fresh sage, and Virginia cedar. I don't know. It's Woodlands. We will see what that is. Also, I just did a video over on my other channel, Beauty Geek. It's hard for me. I actually did a full makeover. I came on camera with no makeup on, which is always difficult when you're over 50 to do a makeover. And Avon's got these really pretty palettes for the holidays. And I did a makeover with my little palette here. So head over there. I did a really long video already today where I put my makeup on. I'm really washed out without makeup on. That's why I wear makeup every day, but it was kind of fun to do that video. I had to stop the camera again. I'm still coughing. That's the thing that's so annoying. If anyone has this cold, I don't feel bad anymore, but you just get this like cough at the end that is so annoying, especially when you're a YouTuber and you need to be talking. So, okay. I am back. Whew. I'm going to dig into my box here. It's going to put me in a good mood. Blackberry Basil. Remember, this came back for semi-annual sale. This was the old one, though. Blackberry Basil. Blackberry Basil. This is a good one. What I have on my shelf, by the way, in the other room, I don't really have any duplicates except cucumber melon. I think I got like 6 different cucumber melons, but for the most part, I don't have any duplicates on that shelf. Warm vanilla sugar. This is a good one for going into the holidays. Classic Bath & Body Works. Next up we have, Black Cherry Merlot. Remember the Roaring 20s collection? What else was in this one? I can't even remember now. Champagne Toast was in it. There was like a Bizarro version of, I can't remember what it was. You guys are going to know better than me. But this is one of the last times we saw Black Cherry Merlot. I like the bottle, though. This is so pretty. I like it when they do a New Year's collection. I remember Life of the Party last year. That was good. Look at this. Vanilla Rainbow Sprinkles. Someone sent me this from Canada. Yeah, we could use this one. This kind of smells like a cake pop type of scent. But we haven't seen that in a while, but I don't know why we never got that in the United States. Kind of strange. Grapefruit Frosé. Oh my gosh. I was been hitting the summer section. Oh my, yeah, I remember Grapefruit Frosé. This was actually a good one. I liked the bottles that year too. That was really pretty. Grapefruit Frosé. Almond Blossom. Oh yeah. This is a classically good Bath & Body Works. Sometimes you forget, that smells good. Very nice, just dry almond, little floral in there. Sometimes you forget about all these wonderful scents because now we're getting like 300 new scents a year and it's hard to keep up. Whipped coconut milkshake. Remember from this past summer? This was good. It was kind of an alternative version of the coconut cream pie, but it was different. Honolulu Son, one of my least favorite scents of all time. I can't even smell this. This smells awful to me. This was like a really, really popular scent couple years ago. It's a no for me. Oh, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I like this. Look how pretty this is from last year. I gotta spray a little of this on. Look how nice that looked. I kind of think I like this bottle better. That's so, I'm going to keep that out. That's so fall-like. Oh, whipberry meringue. Whipberry, they could have brought this one back for fall. They totally could have done that. I would have taken it. I like it. I really like this one. Fresh berries, whipped sugar, and fluffy vanilla. I would totally have taken that one for fall. Oh, coconut pineapple. We could have had a nice little coconut bakery scent for fall. That would have been good. I would have taken that. They could have actually just taken coconut pineapple and added a little coconut cream pie. Wouldn't that have been good? A little caramel in here? Oh my gosh, Bath and Body Works, they really, really did not have a strong fall season. Oh, pink tie-dye. I did not like this one. Pink lady apple, water lotus, and cotton blossom. I don't know if it was the cotton blossom or the water lotus. I can't even smell this one. I don't like that one at all. Oh, Secret Wonderland. I forgot about this one. Luscious strawberry, frosted jasmine petals, and white amber. This came out, let's say like maybe 2 years ago, semi-annual sale. This is a nice Christmas one. It's a lot of people like Secret Wonderland. That's a good one. Oh, Margarita Cupcake. Another one they could have brought out for fall this year. A lot of people like Margarita Cupcake. This was the original. Little orange and lime going on. Not really a fall scent, but I would have taken it. I would have taken anything this year. Oh, sun-washed citrus. Did we get sun-washed citrus back this year? I don't think we did. Sugared lemon, mandarin, agave nectar. I don't think we got this year. Oh my gosh. I love sun-washed citrus. Sun-washed citrus is a good scent. I like the lemons on the bottle too. Why didn't we get that back this year? Oh, beachfront blanket. I don't like this, but a lot of people do. It's very like linen. Very fresh. A lot of people love this one. Remember beachfront blanket? Okay, next up. Oh, champagne apple and honey in the faceted. I always forget this one. You guys know, like every year, I'm like, champagne apple and honey, where is it? It looks pretty in the faceted though. Oh, Bora Bora citrus surf. We didn't get this is the Skittles. Is this the Skittles one? I think it is. Yeah, it kind of smells like Skittles. We didn't get this back this year. I'm really curious to see what they're going to do for tropical. I know it's like way early. Don't even go there, Bonnie, but Dream Bright. This is another good one. It's funny. This packaging reminds me of like Dallas or Dynasty from like the 70s. Like they just went so overboard with the bling. I actually gotta say I like Luminous better. My Luminous is way over there. I can't reach it. This was just like so over the top, literal. But I like it. It's kind of fun. Okay. Oh, Tiki Bay Island Margarita. We have gotten this one back, I think. Did we? Oh, all these are like mixing up now. I don't know. Maybe we didn't get it back. Okay. Oh, Honey Wildflower. This was the closest one to Cocoa Shea Honey that we got in a really long time. This is a good one. You could totally wear this now. This is the crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey. I don't think we've ever seen honey wildflowers back. It just never came back. Kind of interesting. Why? Why Bath and Body Works? Oh, pear creme brulee. I did not like this one. I can even smell it. Oh, I don't know. This one just, there's too much brulee in here. Baked pear, caramelized sugar, and whipped cream. You'd think I would have liked this one. I can just smell it from here. I don't like this one at all. There was just a note in there that just bothered me. Oh, berry waffle cone. Berry waffle cone. I should have brought that up during my fall video. We had the candle early summer, but where the heck was the berry waffle cone this year? Everyone would have gone crazy for berry waffle cone. This one is so popular. We didn't get it back. Maybe they're going to do it for spring or summer this year, but please bring back berry waffle cone. It's funny. I'm kind of hit or miss on this. Sometimes it's a little too much for me. You know what I want? And I've talked about this in many videos. Peach sugar cone. There's a candle called Peach Sugar Cone. Absolutely amazing. Perfect peach. perfect sugar, perfect cone. It would make the perfect body care. It would be like a cousin to berry waffle cone. That would be a good one. Okay, last one. Oh, raspberry tangerine. Remember raspberry tangerine? That was a good one too. I totally remember raspberry tangerine. Oh, this smells really good. I love this one. Oh my gosh. It often makes me wonder why they can't take a scent like raspberry tangerine, because I don't really know what goes into making a scent, obviously. But it feels like if they like added some bakery into here, they're mashing like everything anyway. I mean, they put pumpkin spice latte and twisted peppermint together. Why don't they mash up body care, by the way? I feel like if they did raspberry tangerine with maybe like some vanilla and cake, would that smell good? Would we get like a raspberry tangerine vanilla cake? I don't know. I'm kind of wondering. But that's raspberry tangerine for you. So, oh my gosh, that was a lot of fun. I like pulling old scents, like I said, because one of the problems with Bath and Body Works is, especially now, I think around 2019 is when they started this, there are literally 300 to 400, if you include like wellness, men's, aromatherapy, all the candles, all the different scents. We're talking 300 or 400 new scents every year. I do this every day. I love doing this every day. However, even I get confused on all the scents. Like I said, honey wildflower, I was like, this was just off my radar. I forgot about it. And I'm like, you know what? That would be a good one to bring back. So that's why I like to do these videos, to kind of bring back the old scents, just to remind us of what's out there. So anyway, this was fun. Not a lot going on today at Bath and Body Works. We're kind of in a sale lull. The only good thing is 60% off. Back here, buy one, buy three, get one. There's no candle sale. There's pretty much nothing going on today other than the 60% off, which isn't bad if you stop in the store. But anyway, oh my gosh, this was fun. I may be back later with another video. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.